before we get started, I want to let you know that I do offer one-on-one lessons where I teach people like you how to make much better music within 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, within 4 to 6 weeks, I'm going to help you reach your goal and perhaps even pass your goal in making top quality music, whether you're trying to mix or you're trying to make beats or even both. You can get it done, right? All you have to do is click the link in the description which says students form, fill it, and I'm going to get back to you within a few hours. All right, I'm going to get back to you pronto. So let's get started with today's lesson. All right, so now we're going to start with building our chords. I already have my drum track right here. So let's get on building our chords. I'm going to use this presets from Omnisphere, smoked lap steel. So let's create a simple chord progression out of it. All right, let's quantize that. All right, so now let's create our melody. All right, for our melody, copy this. Have this here as well. All right, so now we have a melodies. We're going to do something interesting right now. We're going to draw straight notes across the bass chords and then take it to a lower octave. This also same thing. And now, so let's add our pads. We're going to copy our chords right here. And our pads are going to help give it some weight, make it sound a bit more emotional. We'll take this to a higher octave. Then now let's add a counter melody. Then let's see how it sounds. Let's have this on the low octave and see how it sounds. Then let's render that because I have some ideas I'd like to try when I render the sound. Let's see. Then we're going to add some effects. We're going to use flanger. Then lots of reverb. Now it almost sounds like it's an ambient melody. All right, so now let's add real ambient melodies this time. We're going to create a new pattern. By the way, this is elegant picking, right? In under guitar preset in Omnisphere. Going to record this. Let's try again. Now let's fix that up properly. Let's have this here. All right, so now let's add some 808s. So I'm using the Spins 808s. So I'm going to copy the chord progression so I can get my 808s accurately. I'm going to just paste it in an empty. This is not going to play out because it's turned off, or you can just make sure it's turned off completely. And make sure your ghost note is active so you can, see this. So I'm just going to just follow this up. So I'm going to break this up now to sound more interesting. And I'm just going to select this, right? And just take this out and have it here. And now let's spread out our beats, all right? We're going to have our intro. Take this out so that we can see our 808s properly. We need to take out this sound, so we're going to split by channel. Split by channel. All right, so now we have this. Let's see how this will sound here. Yeah. And then we want our drums to come in here. And then we want our 808 to continue that. So this is our hook, right? This section right here is our hook. This is our verse, it's our hook. And so let's create the other half of it. And there we have it. There we have our full beats. Intro, first verse, hook, bridge, second verse, hook, outro. And you can keep extending it as much as you want, but for now it's okay. This is already about 3 minutes 10 seconds, all right? So this is how you make an emotional trap beat in FL Studio 20.